Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to study notice writing. What is a notice? A notice is one of the best mediums to convey information to a large number of people in the shortest possible time. A notice is a short composition to convey information about functions, events, occasions, or to announce something that has happened in the past or is about to happen in the future. There are different types of notices. For meetings, we issue notices for cultural events, tours, sports events. There are lost and found notices. Notices are there for seminars, workshops, debates, for appeal, warning, for change of name, address, etc. Some important points to note. A notice includes details like name of the organization, the word notice. Look, the word notice in all capitals. Date, title, subject or heading, name and designation of the issuing authority. A notice is generally written in the third person, though there are certain exceptions when we are drafting a personal notice. You can use first person. A notice must include details like date, time, venue, agenda, etc. In case of events or meetings, usually we write notices in present or future tense. But in case of certain notices like lost and found, you can also use past tense. A notice is written in 50 words and a notice is always enclosed in a box. 50 words, box and 4 marks. These are the qualities of notices, advertisements, invitations, posters, etc., which are part of short compositions in CBSE exams. Now some examples. Art club of your school is going to organize a drawing and painting competition. Write a notice in not more than 50 words to be displayed on the school notice board, inviting students to participate in it. Give all the necessary details. You are Rishabh or Ridhima, Secretary of the Art Club, Sunrise Public School, Gurugram, Haryana. This question was asked in 2019. At the very top, you will write name of the organization. If the name is given in the question, you will use it. Sunrise Public School, Gurugram. Then the word notice in all capitals. Then date. Date is left aligned. Then heading, title or subject. These are centrally aligned and this one is left aligned. Then body. The art club of the school is going to organize a drawing and painting competition for the students of classes 1st to 12 on 25 October 2020 from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. in the school's art hall. Now look, this is the name of the organizer, this is the event, this is date, date of event, time, and this one is venue. Now some more details. Those students who are interested to participate in the competition may give their names to their respective class teachers. The participants must bring their own material for the competition. For further details, contact the undersigned. In a majority of the notices, you will find this standard line. Ridhima, Secretary, the Art Club. So you have to write name and designation post. Name and designation of the person who has issued the notice. Name and designation of the issuing authority. Fine. Another example. You are Sonia or Sohan, Cultural Secretary of Simon Public School, Meerut. Your school has decided to organize a cultural program to raise funds for the victims of the floods in Bihar. Draft a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board. This was asked in 2008. Name of the organization: Simon Public School Meerut. The word notice in all capitals. Then date, then title, heading or subject. All these are central aligned. This one is left aligned. Then body. All the students are informed that a cultural program is being organized on 31st October 2020 by the school. Then what's the motive of the program? To raise funds for the victims of the floods in Bihar. Those students who are interested to participate in this noble endeavor may give their names to their respective class teachers for various cultural items, including singing, dancing, mono acting, drama, and poetry recitation. The cultural program will be organized from 6 p.m. onwards. Time: in the community hall. Venue: the tickets may be collected from the school office on all working days from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. till 30 October 2020. The funds collected by the sale of tickets of the cultural program will be donated to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Why? Because the objective of the program is to raise funds for the victims of the floods in Bihar. For further details, that standard line, contact the undersigned. The name of the issuing authority, issuing person, and his designation, cultural secretary. Another example. Now this notice is an example of personal notice, lost and found. Fine. In such kind of notices, you can use first person, but if you use third person, even that is not wrong. This was asked in 2016. Yesterday, during lunch break, you misplaced your notes on chemistry lectures. You want to get them back. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for the school notice board. You are Karuna or Karan, a student of class 12th A. Now, the name of the school is not given, so you can write Examination Hall, Delhi, or you can simply write ABC School. Now remember, never write name of your own school. Word notice in all capitals, date, then heading, lost class 12 chemistry notes, then body. The undersigned has misplaced his notes on chemistry lectures of class 12 in the school premises during interval yesterday. The notes are in a green colored plastic folder with the name Karan written on the cover page. Anyone who finds the notes is requested to submit them where? To the school receptionist or to return them to the undersigned. The finder will be suitably rewarded. The name and class. Designation is not required. It's a personal notice. So that's all. Happy learning, students. Best wishes. Thank you.